Hi, I'm Laura for PokerNews, and in this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through how to download ClubGG and how to get involved with Club PokerNews. It just takes a couple of minutes and you'll be set up forever. The ClubGG app is available on most Android and Apple mobile devices and takes under a minute to install. The first step is obviously to make yourself a unique account at ClubGG. This process is quick and seamless by following the next steps. Open the ClubGG app on your mobile device. Click Sign Up Now. Enter your email address and click Get Code. Check your email for the verification code and enter it in the ClubGG app. Create and confirm your preferred password. And finally, click Register to receive your free ClubGG account. After these quick steps, you can change your profile setting, including your avatar and your screen name. Don't stress if you don't choose exactly what you want the first time, as you can change these at any time and as often as you would like. And the next step finally is to join Club PokerNews. Head to the home screen and click Search Club. Enter the club ID 811180 and click Search. Click Join after Club PokerNews and automatically get approved for our club. The final step to get involved with Club PokerNews at ClubGG is to request your free chips. This process is a little trickier than the rest, but still fairly simple. Enter Club PokerNews and click on the counter button located at the bottom of the screen. Click on the plus sign near the top of the screen, enter 100,000 where it says chip amounts to request, and click Confirm and then Request. PokerNews will then credit your account within a short time. Good luck, and I look forward to playing with you soon.